Mark Antony movie summary in English. Let's begin. In 1975, Chiranjeevi, a scientist, invents a telephone that enables its users to make calls to people in the past by selecting a past date, with a constraint that only one call can be made for each selected date. Meanwhile, Antony and Jackie Pandian are best friends and gangsters in Chennai, who have a common enemy named Ekambaram. Ekambaram decides to take revenge against Antony for killing his brother. He kills Antony in a club, also resulting in Chiranjeevi getting killed. Jackie soon becomes the solo kingpin, adopts Antony's son Mark, and raises him like his own son. In 1995, Mark, now a mechanic in Royapuram, hates Antony for being responsible for his mother Vedhavali's death. He is in love with his neighbor Ramya and decides to get married soon. He decides to sell his garage and move away from Royapuram, but Jackie does not allow him, fearing for his safety. At the registrar office, Ekambaram tries to shoot Jackie but gets killed that night by the latter. Ramya's mother learns that Mark is Antony's son and asks him to leave Ramya alone. One day, a drunken Mark finds Chiranjeevi's telephone and realizes its capabilities. Using the telephone, he first saves his mother and his younger self from Ekambaram and his men. He then warns Antony's advocate Selvam about his upcoming demise and asks him to meet him in 1995 at his garage. Mark soon learns from Selvam that Antony was not a bad person and was made to believe it by Jackie, the actual mastermind behind Antony and Vedhavali's deaths, as Antony refused Jackie's involvement in illegal activities like drug smuggling, arms trafficking and prostitution. Mark manages to change history by making calls to the past, where Jackie is killed. Mark soon wakes up in the present to find that he is in Jackie's place as a gangster with Ekambaram as his guardian, while Jackie's son Madhan is in Mark's place as a mechanic. Madhan soon learns about the telephone and Mark's involvement in changing the history previously, which he informs to Jackie. Jackie makes various attempts to kill Antony, but Antony survives all the attempts and learns about Jackie's true intentions. Jackie and his men surround Antony and Ekambaram at the club, and Antony is seemingly killed. Mark awakens in the present to find himself back as a mechanic along with Ekambaram, while Jackie is still alive and Madhan is a gangster. Madhan kidnaps Ramya and orders Mark to arrive at the club godown. Mark arrives and is thrashed by Madhan and Jackie's men. However, Antony arrives at the godown. It is revealed that Ekambaram saved Antony in the club shootout and had sent him to Colombia due to many encounter killings of gangsters by the police. Antony gained the partnership of the Colombian underworld, as Jackie usually sent commission to the gangsters under Antony's name. Antony kills all of Jackie's henchmen at the godown by using his secret weapon Anaconda, and finally kills Jackie and Madhan. Antony reunites with Mark and calls Vedhavali in the past, who is being held at gunpoint by Chiranjeevi, wanting his telephone back. Chiranjeevi discovers, to his horror, that Jackie is holding him at gunpoint.